Hey, luxury travelers! Today I'm unveiling the epitome of mobile opulence, the 2023 Newmar Dutch Star 3736, located at Dave's RV Center in Danbury, Connecticut. This Class A diesel RV is a masterpiece on wheels, and it's loaded with features that'll make you rethink luxury travel. First off, the Dutch Star is powered by a beastly 450 horsepower Cummins engine. It's dressed in a stunning Bayshore exterior and has only 815 miles on it, practically brand new. Inside, it sleeps 6 comfortably and comes with a queen-size bed, so you can rest easy on your adventures. The interior is a marvel, featuring newly designed furniture and decor, a Samsung 50 4K LED TV on a televator, and a Bose soundbar for your entertainment. You've also got stainless steel appliances, including a Whirlpool refrigerator and an optional dishwasher. It's equipped with a Comfort Drive TM adaptive steering system, Mobilizer lane tracking, and OnGuard TM collision mitigation. And yes, those heated driver and passenger seats are an option too. And when it comes to convenience, the Dutch Star offers an optional washer and dryer unit, making laundry on the road a breeze. The luxurious bathroom features a spacious design, high-end fixtures, and modern amenities, ensuring you have all the comforts of home while on the road. Plus, it boasts 2 full baths with a modern shower and sink, adding to the convenience and luxury. And let's not forget the basement storage with easy closed doors and an optional exterior entertainment center with a Samsung 4K LED TV. Plus, with your Newmar purchase, you'll get unlimited access to Dave's RV Center tech support hotline for any questions you might have about your RV. When you purchase a Newmar RV from Dave's RV Center, you'll be first in line for service with no appointment needed. This also includes first season basic storage. Come check it out in person at Dave's RV Center in Danbury, CT. And remember to like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Dave's RV Center, or visit our website at davesrvcenter.com. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!